Hi, I'm Joshua Hannell, and this is a presentation on global warming as a bioethical concern. Global warming. We are going to explore the question, why is global warming a bioethical concern? Ethical, social, and legal issues arise in the discussion about global warming, its causes, effects, its costs, its responsibilities, and its solutions. The alternatives, fossil fuels, economies, pollutions, and politics. All of these topics have support. These topics are only some of the issues that make global warming a bioethical concern. So, what now? Are all the facts true, or have they been biased by emotion and opinion? Have they been tainted by politics? How much money will it take to fix the problems, and where does that money come from? Is the damage already done repairable or reversible? Who is responsible thus far, and how do we hold people accountable for their actions in the future? Is it too late? How much time do we have? What if we fix the US but other nations do nothing? These are some of the questions surrounding the controversy around global warming. The different views of global warming are just like a coin. It has two distinct sides. Scientists, environmentalists, politicians, talking heads, and renewable energy providers all agree that global warming is a confirmed threat and that we are causing it. They all demand action now and oppose anything that does not limit greenhouse gases. Former Vice President Al Gore and current climate czar for the Biden administration, John Kerry, seem to agree and are two notable figures in the media that are sounding the alarm about the crisis. Environmental terrorists around the world protest daily the issues that surround global warming. That's the head side of the coin. However, the tail side believes that some of the issues need to be addressed and that the solutions are where the two sides differ the most. The tail side believes that we can continue using fossil fuels to make cleaner, more efficient fuels and save our planet. These plans include research and development for newer and better technologies to power our ever growing energy needs, but they do not eliminate entire segments of the world's economies to get there. Many believe that the US has no business funding developing nations to bring them in line with the proposed limitations on greenhouse gas emissions. My view of global warming. In my view of global warming as a bioethical issue, it is often overtaken by political, economical, and social issues. No matter which side you fall on, global warming is having an effect and needs to be addressed. How these issues are addressed is the contention. I believe that a common sense approach to solving excess emissions comes from the form of utilizing the existing fossil fuel technologies that we have while developing better, more reliable, and robust energy productions for the future. The question surrounding what nations are responsible, both financially and by pollution, is a question that cannot be answered, and a question that will have to be grappled with across the world. Bioethics are not often used with this topic because of the political and social stigma that is attached. We all need to be aware of our carbon footprint in order to reduce gas house emissions that cause the global warming. The effects that are affecting so many things today, issues like deforestation, how and where we produce energy, and the global impact of industrialization are issues that we may never see a solution to. Some scientists even believe that meat eating is a cause of a vast amount of global warming. But personally, I like meat. Good things in global warming sounds contradicting, but the reality is much different. Open shipping lanes in the Northwest Passage allow for earlier shipping in a critical trade route. This is one of the good things about global warming. Longer growing seasons in areas that are not conductive to long growing crops is another benefit. Less cold and extreme climates is also a phenomenon that we have seen with climate change. Many plants also benefit from the increased carbon dioxide. Bad things and global warming are more common than good things. Extreme drought, loss of habitat for endangered species, changing weather patterns that affect areas not conducive to change, adversely affected migration paths for animals. These are all bad things that global warming causes. Rising sea levels can also do some serious devaluation to your oceanfront property value. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and if you have any questions, please uh, ask me and I will get back to you. Thank you.